Lady Gaga's hip will have some recovering to do after her surgery, but she's proving that her fan base is far from injured as she reaches out to her millions of little monsters. Gaga wrote an open letter to her fans, thanking them for their support and basically saying that she's seen and heard their struggles around the globe, and they've inspired her to persevere through her own setback. The singer says she's grateful because her pain is temporary, but for many of her fans, she understands their struggles are not. And she's alive, living her dream, and knows this is just a bump in the road. Gaga has involved her fans the whole way since tearing a ligament in her hip, and consequently canceling the remaining shows on her Born This Way ball tour. The 26-year-old tweeted she was going under the knife, and the outpour of support suggests that just because her fans can't see her in concert doesn't mean they aren't there for her.